Hi guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be playing Jailbreak. So this is a game of Jailbreak. You have to be a prison or an officer. So this is the part version of one of my most favorite Roblox games, part 3. So let's play. So what I think I'll play prisoner first. That's the most fun to do. And I gotta play. Uh-oh, should have ate breakfast. Someone made a trap. Uh-oh, something happened. Okay, never mind. It was just a froze for a minute. Enter the prison cell. There is some place that is super cool and a great hiding spot. Oh, there's some few people. Oh no, I got arrested. Oh no, I got back in juvie again. I mean, it's like juvie, but the word is juvenile. That's where the kids stay if they're like thieves. Like an example, if your parents died and you don't want any and you want something to use and you don't have it, you steal it without asking or any permission, then you're a juvenile. If you don't want that to happen, then good. Let's head on to the spot where the hiding spot for a police officer is. Whenever you see a officer or a gun with them, oh, someone's gonna come. We gotta hide. Well, I hope it's not someone. Anyways, let's go this way to see. It's like a black dew, I think. It's like a black. I think a lot of prisoners has pee in it. I don't know. That's just a hilarious fact. I can't see it really well. This is a great hiding spot. where police officers barely find anyone that their target is for. I guess I saw someone. If that's a police officer, I'm running for my life. Run for my life! Boo-boo. Shout out. We're gonna get really rich. We're criminals. Anyways, you know, juvenile people can hide anywhere. That's a funny fact, and that's what Mr. Gribbly said in Bunk. Aha! I found out a secret place to get out. Let's hit it! Let's go! Okay, that's a bad idea. So, no, I'm playing a game, Jailbreak.
With whom?
With just myself. Jailbreak. No, I'm making a video.
What? Then who will do your task?
I will do. Sorry guys. That's my fault. No, actually, never mind. That's just a little sound.
Who is that? Do you play jailbreak? Who plays all this jailbreaking? You
It's super
don't want to
fun.
go to jail.
I'm not gonna go to jail. Whatever. I have to find another car so I can escape the place, and I already did. And I'm tired of running. It's making me like this. Maybe I can spawn a car. I'll spawn this.
I'll give you 7 minutes.
Okay, 7 minutes? Whatever. So I got my car now, and I know I just got my spawning. So it's like driving simulator. So now I escaped police, and now I am free. Woohoo! If someone's looking for me, it should be easy. It's like, hey, I'm in Arizona. Welcome to Arizona, me. How do you like that? Uh-oh. Somehow my voice got a little broken off the track, but I think I'm okay. Okay, I guess that's a little driving and I got stuck. Let me spawn a different car. Ooh. So I guess I just have to run around. I guess I'm in Arizona. This is correct. I guess the man who lives in Arizona built this. But who knows? I don't live in Arizona, but I can't share it because it's private. So I'm out of the jail and I'm happy about it. This is like a Grand Canyon. I think must be a Grand Canyon. But wait, volcano? I guess that's not a volcano. It's just something else. But let me go there. This should be in Phoenix, maybe? Phoenix never got snow. But why there's snow on a mountain desert? It's unusually ironical. It's raining now. Hey, there's a lake there. Oh no, maybe a lake. Oh no, a train? It's a train. I gotta get past the train. Oh, never mind, that's no lake. Ah, finally, thankfully. Maybe if I find a train, maybe there's another way I could escape from juvie or jail. That is usually ironical. Ironical. That's what Robbie Ross says in a bunk. You know, Robbie Ross is my favorite character in Bunk. He's one of the coolest, especially that farting man Jorge Ramirez. Hey, no one will find me that I'm in this place. This is easy. So shout out to I am Counselor of the Year. Hey, I see Freddy's. Welcome me to Freddy's. Freddy's is my favorite French fries and burger restaurant. Hey, a tunnel. I'll pass that later. I guess I escaped for the day, and I am finally done. Let's spend some day at the beach. Hey, guess it's in California, not Arizona. I'm gonna go deeper in the water. Then maybe I'll just wait for my car to get there. So, I'm swimming, I'm swimming down the ocean. There is nothing to stop me. Anything I can do, there's nothing you will be afraid of. Being afraid of, being afraid of. Being afraid of, being afraid of. You know what? I think that's it. I don't need to wait for my car. Enjoy my video and I hope you like it. Type down in the comments.